Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make these beautiful and cute looking fish. These are motifs, small motifs that we can make, and they just get ready in no time. So let's make, and for this we require thread which is 8 numbered anchor thread, and then for this I am using 0.75 mm hook. To make this I am going to use 0.75 mm hook. So let's start and keep them aside. So we are going to start with chain 10. So let's start making chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then here we are going to make the tail part first. So for that, yarn over, and in the fourth chain from hook we are going to insert the hook and make double crochet, and then make a half double crochet. We are going to insert the hook in the same stitch, then we make one double crochet, then we make 3 chains, 1 2 3, insert the hook into the same stitch where we are making the other stitches. Now slip stitch and close, and we are now going to work on these chains. Now here, first chain we are going to make a single crochet. Into the next we are going to make half double crochet. Into the next 2 chains we are going to make double crochet. 1 2. Into the next stitch we are going to make half double crochet. You just take one loop from the chain stitches, and into the last stitch we are going to make single crochet. This side one has to be right in front, which will turn it into its mouth part, and then after which I have taken one chain stitch, and then I am going to make one tiny picot with one chain stitch with a slip stitch, and then one more chain stitch for the other side. And now we are going to work the other side of this chain. So single crochet is already done, so yarn over and make the double crochet, half double crochet, then make 2 double crochet, 1, and into the next stitch make one more, then into the next stitch half double crochet, into the next one, last one we're going to make one single crochet, and here we are going to make a slip stitch and close this space, and then close it or fasten off. Cut the yarn, and then we are going to secure this stitch or else it will come out. So for that I am going to just insert the hook here, and then bring this yarn at the back. Bring the yarn at the back side, and now I am going to weave this tail end, and I'm going to cut this off, and we can also glue it if we fear that it might come out. We can glue it, and then here also we are going to just weave a 2 times, and then we're going to cut the extra yarn. So done. So this is the fish, tiny fish, which is ready to be used. This can be used as embellishments for the garments or for the bags or as borders. So we can just make use of these small fish motifs anywhere we want as a border. In place of tassels, we can use for the dupatta or for the scarves, etc. Or also we can use it as earrings. I hope that you enjoyed making it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for the latest videos.